Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you how to start your speaking journey. If you want to learn English, you are four things. Your four things is most important. Listening, speaking, writing and reading. Yeah. Your listen, your understanding. Yeah. You are watching this the English movie, English cartoon. You are understand. Okay. Your reading is a very well, okay, and your writing is a little bit, your writing is a little bit, yeah, but you are not speaking, and you are not talk to English. You are three skill, you are definitely good, but speaking is the most important, okay. Speaking is the most important. You are remove your fear, remove your hesitations, and you will talk to you. Don't care about this the peoples, don't care about your mistake. Mistake is a improve your English, and you will talk to you. Any languages you are not talking, you are not command this language, and you are get this the knowledge. You are get this the knowledge. You learn about this vocabulary, you learn about this the tenses. Grammar is the most important. Only tense is a your improvement in your English, okay. You are not learn this the tense, you are not speak. You are zero level, you are beginner, but you are learn about this the grammar. Only tense, okay, only tense. And you should speak to English, and one day you definitely you are become a fluent speaker. And you are daily try, you are daily speak, your good confidence, your confidence level is a good, and you are not a fear. You will speak, but you are not your speak is not right and wrong, but you are speak, okay. Don't care about this the uh, don't care about these peoples, but you are speak. Your house is anythings, you describe your anythings. You are going to market, you are different things. You are start your description, you are start your description, and you will definitely you are talk to you. You are definitely you will speak to English, and you like this English. You are like you are like, okay. I will little bit I will mistake, but I am talk to you, okay. You are start now, you are start now your speaking journey. You are uh, you are the start your speaking journey. You are lot of knowledge, uh, you are you are like this, and you are happy. I will speak to English, you will speak to English, but you are not talking, you are not confidence. You are push yourself, and uh, you are daily self talk. Your daily self talk. You are thinking your native language is the think. but you are slowly thinking in English. You are one day automatically you are thinking English. Yeah, but you are start now. Okay, and you can speak. Thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can do and you can speak.